Yeah, hi, I'm Ashwin Jain. I represent a firm called 𝐜𝐭𝐴𝐧𝐧𝐞𝐜𝐭𝐡. I think it's a beautiful project, very well located, in center of everything, near to the malls, hospitals, airport, very good connectivity. Club is awesome. It's sprawling, beautiful clubs. That's a big shot in the arm, gives a lot of confidence to us as people who are working for developers like Ambience, and gives a huge comfort to our buyers. I wish all the channel partners like us best of luck, and I would say that people who are reposing faith in Ambience right now, especially in this product, there is lots and lots of profits and goodwill to be reaped.